Hello, I am Malik Lee, Certified Financial Planner, and this is your Big Three. One of the biggest advantages of working with a certified financial planner is that they look at a client's entire financial landscape, including insurance coverages. When I'm putting together a new client's financial plan, oftentimes I find out that they're missing one of the cheapest, but the most impactful insurance coverages. So in this episode of the Big Three, we're going to explore the Big Three key points of umbrella insurance. Also called excess liability insurance, umbrella insurance provides coverages against excess liability claims or judgments. The overarching reason for umbrella insurance is to avoid financial ruin should you accidentally cause major injuries or property damage to others. If you're sued for damages that exceed the liability limits of your car insurance or homeowner's insurance or other coverages, you could be forced to sell your home your children grew up in. Your wages could be garnished, or you may have to liquidate your assets to pay for a lawsuit. An umbrella policy helps pay what you owe. Coverage limits start at $1 million and in most cases can go as high as $5 million. This coverage is relatively inexpensive for the amount of liability you receive. The average $1 million policy will cost $150 to about $300. So before you can add umbrella coverage, your insurer may require you to carry more than the minimum amount of both auto and home insurance coverages. Obviously, since we dubbed this the forgotten insurance, this is an optional coverage that is not required like auto or home insurance. With that said, here are a few reasons why you want to consider obtaining this coverage. Do you have significant savings or assets? Do you own things that can lead to injury, such as a pool, trampoline, or a dog even? Do you engage in activities that increase your chances of being sued, like being a landlord, coaching in kids' sports, or serving on the board of a nonprofit? Do you participate in sports where you can easily injure others, such as skiing, surfing, hunting, or even mixed martial arts, like myself here? Or are you looking to cover yourself for things like libel or slander? But lastly, are you worried about liability claims against you while traveling outside of the United States? Those are just a few reasons why umbrella coverage might work for you. The best way to explain how this works is by example. So let's imagine this rush hour. It's raining heavily and you're in a hurry. Now imagine for a minute your car hydroplanes and you hit two other vehicles. The damage to both vehicles equals $50,000. And the treatment for the injuries the other driver sustained comes with $250,000. In addition, one of the drivers is a surgeon. He broke his arm during the crash and won't be able to work for months. So he sues you for $200,000 in lost earnings. At the end of the day, the grand total of your liabilities owed is $500,000. If you carry only $300,000 in liability coverage through your car insurance, the remaining $200,000 will have to come out of your pocket. If you had umbrella insurance, it could have covered the $200,000 difference that you still owe. Now that you have a good understanding of umbrella insurance, hopefully you don't make this a forgotten insurance in your risk portfolio. And remember, if you have questions or need assistance, please give me a call. I am Malik Lee, and this is the Big Three key points about umbrella insurance. Thank you.